Hi, hi, how are you?
Congratulations on your award.
Can we just do it all together?
Yes, yes, yes. Can you please do please?
Congratulations on your award.
Thank you so much. Thank you
So
so
when you
much.
receive that award, and you receive recognition for this role and in multiple platforms, and when you look back at your time in those hard days, when you see those hard days on the flashback, and when you receive these kind of accolades for your research, you think about those flashback
I
memories.
just think that hard days are part of life. I don't look at them and feel, oh my God, I went through that period in my life. It's a journey every person goes through in their life, and only when you work hard, there's a day when it comes in your life where you get some kind of acknowledgement. I think everybody's life is like that.
You seem to be emerging as a favorite antagonist in Bollywood now after Animus as Alpha, where you are reuniting with Anil Kapoor also.
I don't know. I can't speak about that film because I really can't right now at this moment. But
Bobby, do you think the industry is capitalizing on your villainous avatar that the audience is
ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है। क्या है कि जब से मैंने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन की है, जब आप जब कोई रोल करते हैं तो उस हिसाब से आपको ज़्यादा तो उसी हिसाब के रोल मिलते हैं। So it's been happening since before, not just now. It's always going to be like that. It's just that it took me a tough time to change my image, and finally I've changed my image and I've done characters which are very different.
But there's been
Uh, what can one expect from anything is like, I hope you guys like it.
So you had a great moment with Shahid right now. How was it to dance on your track?
It's amazing. Shahid is an awesome dancer, actor, and everything. He's a great, he's just good with everything.
so there's been
Bobby,
belief
Bobby.
that in Bollywood the villain era has ended. What do you have to say about that?
मैंने तो सुना नहीं, तूने कहाँ सुना?
Bobby Kampa, do you think will bring a new villain?
पता नहीं मुझे ये सब चीज़ें, मैं कैसे बोल
नहीं,
सकता
आपका
हूँ? मुझे क्या
feeling
मालूम
बहुत
क्या
अच्छा लग रहा है।
मुझे क्या मालूम जब एनिमल रिलीज हो तो क्या होने वाला है? मुझे नहीं मालूम था, तो पता नहीं क्या होने वाला
Bobby,
है।
it's a re-releases. If you had to re-release one of your films, which one would that be?
All of them?
हाँ जी मैं इधर ही हूँ जी हेलो hey what's up love the glasses
What performance?
why is your mic like why do I have to hold your mic हाँ बस
Did we watch only
baby mic on it
we're not lucky enough to be there?
yes you want me to
But
keep this
what
here for you
performance and with so many people.
one second I am doing my first job for the day I'll get to you later
चले बजाना बस.
all the mics are ready हाँ जी
Shahid was a memorable performance for you. Sorry.
poor thing she has waited for the mic to happen also only girls do this to each other huh
No. Okay.
Yeah.
Great performance. We watched your Instagram.
Thank
but
you so
tell
much.
me, so many people out there.
yeah
What was your favorite part?
I love it. I love being in a, like a stadium full of people. And I remember like my first live experience was when I was like 15 years old and Michael Jackson had come to India. And we all went to Andheri Sports Complex. And I remember walking home alone. So for me, it's like, it's living your dream, being in a stadium full of people where you're the artist and you're getting to do it. And I actually really enjoy live performances. I love the energy of the crowd. I feel it's a very pure experience. There's nobody between you and the people. Otherwise, there is a script and a character and a filmmaker and a marketing strategy and so many things between you and the people, when you do a movie. But when you're live, it's just you and them. So I find that always the most fun. So I had a great time.
Shahid, you're also a crowd puller when it comes to live events. Sorry. Done.
Sorry.
Shahid, you are being loved for the dance performance. But was there any song you thought your career which probably you found you felt it was a little tough for you to get this step?
A lot of the steps actually, I remember when I worked with Prabhu sir in R. Rajkumar and he made me do Gandhi Baat and Sari Ka Fall. I just didn't understand what to do, because I had danced with Shamak and the rhythm pattern and the style and everything is very different. So I remember that was the first time I felt like I don't know how to dance because till then I never felt like that because I was a trained dancer. I had taught people how to dance when I was like 18 years old. So that goes to show that how every dance style is so different and how you have to adapt and change according to it and yeah.
You are a crowd puller even at live events. We saw it in the press conference here. What? How do you do this? Does it come to you naturally?
बस मैं पैदा हुआ और ऐसे ही था मैं. Sorry?
Last time it was Babina's tribute.
Yes, I really enjoyed doing that actually.
This time what was the theme because we couldn't attend your
Okay, so this time I performed on two of my songs, Akhiyan Gulab, which I've actually never done live, so it was great fun, and then Lal Pili Akhiyan. Then Kriti joined for Lal Pili Akhiyan, and then I did Mukabla with Prabhu sir. Then I did, which was that, Nayo Nayo, Oh Nayo Nayo, with Bobby sir. Because I loved seeing him in that song. I still remember him and Preeti ma'am wearing the caps and going. So got to do that with him. And then there was Nach Punjaban with Anil sir. So it was like a nice full act.
Out of all, what was the favorite act?
Her dance isn't your niche because her mother is a versatile classical dancer. She keeps posting videos on Instagram also. What do you have to say about it?
She's actually a genius dancer. I'm not even 1% of what she is. So I'm just happy that I got some of her DNA in me. But yeah, I have grown up watching her dance, and she's she's very, very special.
Shahid, personally, which was your favorite act out of the four that you just mentioned on stage?
बेटा ये तो मतलब चांस ही नहीं है ना कि मैं आंसर करूँगा. आई एम नॉट वेरी डिप्लोमेटिक बट इतना तो आता है मुझे.